10 popular French recipes and what makes them special. Here are 10 popular French recipes and what makes them special. Let's get down to business. Number 1. Beef Bourguignon. This hearty stew is made with chunks of beef, mushrooms, onion, and bacon in a rich red wine sauce. The combination of the red wine, beef, and bacon make this a truly unique and flavorful dish. Number 2. Coq au vin. This classic French dish is made with chicken braised in red wine and served with mushrooms, onions, and lardons. The red wine and lardons give the dish a unique flavor that can't be replicated with any other ingredients. Number 3. Cassoulet. This hearty dish is made with white beans, duck, pork, sausage, and other meats. The combination of all these different meats creates a flavorful stew that is both comforting and delicious. Number 4. Bouillabaisse. This seafood stew is made with a variety of fish and shellfish, like monkfish, shrimp, and mussels. It is usually served with a saffron-infused broth that adds a unique and complex flavor to the dish. Number 5. Croque Monsieur. This classic French sandwich is made with ham, cheese, and mustard on toasted bread. The combination of the crunchy toast, melty cheese, and savory ham make this a truly delicious sandwich. Number 6. Ratatouille. This vegetable dish is made with eggplant, zucchini, onion, bell peppers, and tomatoes. The combination of the different vegetables creates a unique flavor that can't be found in any other dish. Number 7. Quiche Lorraine. This savory tart is made with a buttery pastry crust and filled with bacon, cheese, and eggs. The combination of these ingredients creates a rich and flavorful tart that is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Number 8. Crepes. These thin pancakes can be served sweet or savory. The combination of the delicate pancake and the endless possibilities of fillings make this a truly versatile dish. Number 9. Tarte tatin. This upside-down apple tart is made with caramelized apples and a flaky pastry crust. The sweet and tart combination of the apples and pastry make this a truly unique and delicious dessert. Number 10. Macarons. These delicate meringue-based cookies come in a wide variety of flavors. The combination of the crunchy cookie. Kindly remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.